So, have you find X?
Sorry boss, I can't find X.
What? I told you if you can't find X, don't come and find me. I give you one more chance. Did you find X? One last time.
Sorry boss, but I got 5X2 Pro.
Bro, why don't you say early? Come. Let's watch the YouTube with the Ultra Vision engine together. See. Super frame rate way. Sawadee krab, Savani my crowd. Welcome to another episode of the Boxing King. Yes, the OPPO Find X2 Pro's Ultra Vision engine really can make you dwell into the movie world and forget about the reality of your world. So, what's so special about it? Let's check it out. So welcome back, and now let's check out what's inside the box. We have the menu, the SIM pin tool, the silicone back cover, the phone, SuperVolt 2.0 65 watt flash charger, USB-C cable and a USB-C earphone. So coming into the design, this time the OPPO Find X2 Pro are having two types of design, which is the orange vegan leather finish, and also the one that I'm holding here is the classic black shining glass finish. And if you look closely, it has a micro texture in it. It's like a fingerprint design, and can you hear this? I can do this all day though. Okay, I don't know about you, but this is pretty cool to me. Okay, so finished with the back design, now let's turn to the front. Back to the phone. Now turn to the front. OPPO Find X2 Pro this time has a 6.78-inch 1440p Quad HD plus 120Hz refresh rate AMOLED curved display, and this is by far the highest display quality that OPPO has placed on its smartphones. And trust me with this, once you experience the 120Hz refresh rate, will really make you fall in love with it and you won't get rid of it. So to make it clearer to you, I'll place a 60Hz refresh rate and a 120Hz refresh rate side by side and compare it for you to get a closer picture about it. And for those of you who love to watch video on your smartphone, the Find X2 Pro comes with a new feature called the Ultra Vision engine that allows you to switch the frame rate of a video from 24 FPS into 60 FPS or even more. And this will allow you to experience a smoother video just like you are watching it live in front of you. OPPO also mentioned that this feature is already compatible with apps like YouTube, Netflix, Amazon and more. So to turn on and off this feature, you just need to swipe down your notification bar and you will see the 01 Ultra Vision engine. Just tap on it to turn on and tap on it to turn it off. Okay, so that's probably a lot of information that's going on for the display itself. So enough with the display, now let's go into the tech specs. So speaking about the tech spec, this Find X2 Pro comes with a Snapdragon 865 chipset with 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage space. And this is the first OPPO smartphone that supports a dual SA and NSA 5G network. As for the software, it comes with the new ColorOS 7.1 that has a better customizable user interface, such as the new sidebar that allows you to create shortcuts of your favorite apps into it, a multi-user mode, dark mode, and also not to forget that now you can lock your apps into your RAM so that it will be constantly running in the background. Now coming to the highlight of the phone, cameras. This time OPPO didn't follow the trend by putting 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8 cameras behind the rear, but only equips with a simple yet powerful triple rear camera setup. And why did I say that this is a simple yet powerful triple rear camera setup? Because this time OPPO has worked closely with Sony to produce its own customized sensor. And having the first co-designed Sony IMX 689 48 megapixel main camera sensor, the Sony IMX 586 48 megapixel ultra wide camera sensor, and also a 13 megapixel telephoto lens with up to 10 times hybrid zoom and a 60 times digital zoom. And on the front, it has a 32 megapixel selfie camera. So with the extra large sensors, it can now capture even more stunning night shots. Not to mention, the color accuracy of this phone's camera also improves a lot because you can see how it nails through the white balance, the skin tone, that makes your pictures even stunning, as well as video recordings. And speaking about video, this phone can take up to 4K and 60 frames per second video recording. And it also carries along the ultra steady mode from the OPPO Reno 2 that makes your handheld video looks as if you're recording on a gimbal. And lastly, the battery. It has a 4620 mAh battery capacity in it, and with the support of the SuperVault 2.0 65 watt flash charger, it can charge from 0% to 100% in just 38 minutes. So overall for me, the OPPO Find X2 Pro is something to look out for, especially on the powerful camera setups, the display, the new ColorOS 7.1, and also the unique design. So that's all for today. Do like and subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for the latest video updates. I'm Joshua C. See you next time.